Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rocket Butt Plug by the EasyToys Anal Collection. So let's get started. So this is the Rocket Butt Plug itself. Now this is shown here in the size small, but it's also available in these sizes medium and large as well. So you can let this butt plug take you to an amazing climax. The tapered tip ensures easy insertion, and the slim neck makes sure the plug stays in place for as long as you want. The plug is firm yet flexible and provides much stimulation as it's really comfortable to wear. Its small size makes this the perfect toy for beginners in the need of anal play. So you can also experiment with the sizes. You can start off at the smallest one here and work your way up to medium and large and enjoy the anal play to come. When using this rocket butt plug, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean it after every use using toy cleaner and lukewarm water for good hygienic use. You can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Rocket Butt Plug by the EasyToys Anal Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.